Chem Factor. I'm your host, Leah. We are searching for the next great chemist. We have been all around the world and we have narrowed down to the 2 finalists. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's go meet Sam and Taylor. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Sam.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
What will you be doing for us today?
Today I will be showing everybody in my experiment how to burn a paper plate and then observe it.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Taylor.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Okay, and what lab will you be performing for us today?
I will show you how to light half of a paper plate with a Bunsen burner.
Hello. First thing you do when you walk into the lab, put your glasses on. Next, put on your apron and tie it in the back. You're also going to want to tie your hair back, wear closed-toed shoes, and roll up your sleeves if you have long sleeves on. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Okay, so first we're going to look and see all of the safety hazards and what you can do if you have a problem in the lab. So first off, the nearest exit to your station is what you should look for when first entering the lab. Make sure you know where it is and where to go. Next, we have, if you get any chemicals or glass in your eye, what you're going to want to do is be able to walk immediately to an eye wash station right here. And you're going to be able to push and water will come out as such. Next, we have the fire extinguisher. We only use the fire extinguisher whenever there are large fires within the lab. If it's a small fire, you use a large beaker to put it out, but if it's a large fire, then you use the fire extinguisher. Finally, if you or one of your friends gets caught on fire while doing a lab, you go over to the fire blanket and you wrap yourself as tightly as possible in it, or your friend as tightly as possible in it, so no air is getting in and causing the fire to become more rapid. That will be found in this fire blanket cabinet. Thank you. Take a moment to review how to use the fire extinguisher properly.
Hello, today I will be showing you the proper technique of how to use a fire extinguisher. First you want to follow PASS, P-A-S-S. You want to pull the key, then you want to aim it at your fire.
Then you want to squeeze the top and use a sweeping motion at the base of the fire.
And that is how you use a fire extinguisher.
To begin my experiment, I will turn on the gas, this gas, and then I hear it, so it's on. Then you're going to take a striker and light it. And you know, if it doesn't work the first time, just take a second and go again. Don't turn it off or anything, keep it on. And keep lighting it. You'll get it. See, there we go. Then, I mean, you don't really have to adjust the flame or anything. You can just keep it. And then you will light this on fire. Doesn't really matter how, just, you know. And you can just keep lighting it and move it around a little bit. And then, to put the fire out, you would take the distilled, you would go like this, take the distilled water, no, water to acid, a beaker, put it on here, put the beaker on, and turn the gas off, and observe your experiment.
Okay, Sam, it was a really good effort, but first of all, you had a cluttered mess everywhere, all over the lab. And second of all, you didn't use forceps when doing the experiment. What do you have to say, Kylie?
Well, you have really pretty hair, but it needs to be pulled back, or else if you lean in, it's gonna catch on fire. Also, your sleeves were like this. That is so unsafe because you are holding the paper plate without forceps and it wasn't at a 45-degree angle. So, you could have caught your sleeves on fire. What do you have to say, Courtney?
Let me look at my notes. Well, first of all, you are not wearing an apron. And second, you ain't got no goggles, you ain't got no talent.
That's all we have to say.
Okay, the first thing that you want to do when you come into a lab is make sure your apron's on and tied. The next thing you want to do is make sure you always have your safety goggles on because you don't want to hurt your eyes. And always wear closed-toed shoes in case of acid or broken glass falls. Okay, and now to start off the experiment. The first thing that you want to do is to turn on the gas. Make sure you can feel it and hear it because you can feel, yeah. Okay. The next thing you want to do is light it with the striker. And if you don't get it the first few times, turn off the gas, waft it away to make sure to prevent a future fireball. Then once you've wafted it away, try the gas again. Again, you can feel it and hear it, then light it. Okay, next you want to take your forceps, then hold the paper plate at a 45-degree angle to burn it. You just want it to catch fire and see it burning, how it's burning the paper plate. You want to quickly observe it, set it down, and to put out the fire, first you turn off your gas, then you're going to put a large beaker over top to put the flame out. Now you observe within the beaker. Thank you for watching.
Good job, Taylor. That was an amazing experiment. That was spot on to the P in perfection. What do you have to say, Kylie?
I really love your sense of style. Your shirt, your pants, and your closed-toed shoes look fantastic. Plus, you had your hair tied back and your sleeves rolled up so you didn't get caught on fire. What do you have to say, Coco?
Well, awesome job. You wore an apron, and since you got the goggles, you got the talent.
This program is brought to you by Coca-Cola to show you that drinking and eating in the lab is totally 100% prohibited.
Coca-Cola tastes better every day.
I personally think that Taylor did the best.
Yes, I think she did really good.
I agree because Sam was she was terrible. She could have really hurt herself.
Yeah.
Like, fire is not something to mess around with. Alright, well, there's our conclusion. Alright, so we have decided, the three judges, that we picked Taylor as the winner.
No! The key.
To Chem is tribe!